बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम फातिमा है। My name is फातिमा। आज हम सीखेंगे उर्दू के अल्फाबेट हरूफ तहज्जी। चलें जी, शुरू करते हैं आज का सबक। हरूफ तहज्जी। अलिफ, अलिफ मद अ, बे, पे, ते, ते, से, जीम, जे, है, खे, दाल, दाल, जाल, रे, रे, जे, जे, सीन, शीन, स्वाद, जुआद, तोए, ज़ोए, आन, गान, फे, कॉफ, काफ, गाफ, लाम, मीम, नून, नून गुन्ना, वाव, चोटी है, दो चश्मी है, हमजा, चोटिए, बरिए. Well done. This time we'll go a bit faster. Alif, be, pe, te, te, se, jim, je, he, khe, dal, dal, zal, re, re, ze, je, sin, shin, swad, swad, doin, doin, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, gaf, lam, mim, noon, noon गुन्ना, वाव, चोटी है तो चश्मे है, हमजा, चोटी है, परी है. Now that you have learned your Urdu alphabet, let's have a quick test. Can you tell me what letter this is? Yes, it is Noon Gunna. Well done. Now, can you tell me what this is? Correct, it is Jim. Do you know what letter this is? Yes, it is Mim. Well done if you got them all correct. If you didn't, just keep trying. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you enjoy me with other videos. Oh yes, and it's joke time. Why does Banana have to go to the hospital? Do you know the answer? Because it wasn't peeling well. Khudafiz, bye.